Hello, it's spring planting season, and as we all know in windy Britain and other parts of the world that might be windy too, it's a very good idea to protect plants in springtime with a bit of fleece. We also use similar products, mesh netting I use a lot throughout the summer to keep caterpillars off plants. So I'm always having to stretch this in various shapes over areas that I've planted. Now I was just doing a video the other day, and one of my commentators kindly asked, why have I got bottles of beer sticking out of my soil? And I'll explain. This is my special way for spreading this stuff. I've experimented over the years, and I've used wooden frames quite effectively for many years. I built wooden frames that I can take apart and reassemble and push into the ground around a bed, stretch the fleece or the netting over, and they work quite well. I've also experimented with lengths of wire which you can bend over a bed, and even PVC pipe to make a shape. You can then fasten them together as well with canes to make it a more rigid structure. Stretch the fleece over that, and again you've got a protective tunnel. But I've found a much better way than either of those methods. The first drawback of any sort of rigid structure is that you could end up ripping holes in the fleece. It's quite delicate stuff, and as the wind sort of blows it around over a rigid structure, inevitably it snags on the corners and goes through, and you've got ripped fleece within a lesser or a greater period of time. The other problem I found with both those types of structures is that plants grow, and you really want to start off with, as I have in this bed here, plants that are low to the ground. You want your fleece very low, but as they grow you want to be able to raise the structure up. And if you've got something that's been laboriously crafted, nailed or screwed together or fastened together in some way, it's very difficult to dismantle it and build it a bit higher. And you might have to do that several times during the growing season. So that's how I came up with my bottles method. I'll show on a bed just down here that hasn't got anything in it, because it'll be a little bit easier. Follow me. So imagine, if you will, that this is the area that we want to protect. It's got some plants in it, and I'm going to use canes and beer bottles. One of the great things about this method is it starts with opening a bottle of beer, but that's a side effect. When you've got your beer bottles, obtained by whatever method, just push some canes into the ground at whatever height. I'm just going to do a small area because obviously this is a trail patch. Push them in. There we go. Yeah, so it's 4 canes in the ground there. And you can probably see that already we've got a structure. That was very easy. You can make it any size or shape that you want simply by picking a cane up and putting it somewhere else. The other thing that I quite like about it, you might think, oh, that's not very strong, but actually if the wind blows, these flecks, they kind of bounce around, so they don't actually snap off in the way that you think they might do. They're certainly as strong as constructed wooden frames. Anyway, that's the shape of it there, and the fleece, if you can see, here's one I made earlier. I've just tied it down with some bricks on that side. It's quite a windy day. Roll it over. Simple as that. And the ubiquitous allotment bricks will hold it down all the way around. And that's your structure. It will stay like that until the plants grow up to touch the bottom of it, and you say, oh well, what do I do now? It's quite simple. If you want to raise it up, just because you saw I pushed the canes in the ground quite a way. Just pull them up a bit. If they've gone loose, you can just reseat them. There you go. And that's instantly higher to accommodate growing plants. It really is as simple as that. I've used this type of structure, like I said, for fleece, for mesh, even for netting to keep birds off fruit, quite large constructions. It really does work quite well. And you've got absolutely no danger with a smooth glass bottle of ripping the fleece or any of the damage that I've had occur with more rigid structures. So I'm just going to finish off by putting the fleece back over this area that I planted earlier. You can see that this is a very low version. It's keeping the fleece nice and close to the ground. It's quite a windy day, so it saves it billowing all over the place. And I think a lower structure gives more protection to young plants as well. So. It's also a good use for old canes. You know, they suddenly snap on you and you go, what do I do with that? Well, you save the short little lengths and you can build structures like this ad infinitum. So there we go, nice and safely wrapped up, and hopefully that's solved the mystery of why did I have beer bottles sticking out of my garden.